Now the next part is the two wings. All right, now this is very important. Over here, we have two screws. Take a look. We have a long one and a short one. Now the long screws are for the front wing, the bigger wing, and the shorter screws are for the smaller wing at the back and the rear. Okay, now let's do the wings. So, we have the front wing. Now please make sure that the front wing, the curve is towards the front, and make sure this piece aligns over here. So, we turn it. Now don't forget the long screws. There's the first one. Now the second one. We take our Allen key screwdriver. Make sure it's nice and tight. You don't want the wing coming off while you're foiling. That would be terrible. Good. So there's the front wing. And now the smaller rear wing. Also make sure the curvature is pointing towards the front. Make sure it lines up. Take your screws. Don't forget, it's the shorter screws. There we go. Nice and tight. And you can see how nice the fuselage with the two fins, it looks so slick and cool. All right, definitely a beautiful looking board if you ask me. All right, and then the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the board over. Now please be careful when you turn the board over. Be careful of the wings. Make sure the surface isn't too hard or too rough so as not to damage the wings.